Hey y'all, it's Tim from He Wines, She Dines. I'm here with Monica, who's part of our staff and our bartender. Hey Monica, how are you?
Hi Tim, it's good to be here.
Good. So listen, we're bringing back Spirits of Summer. It's a hot one in Texas, but we're putting a little quarantine twist on it. So these are our at-home quarantine cocktail series, right?
Yes, so today our first cocktail that we're making is going to be a classic champagne cocktail, which normally would have Angostura Bitters, but our He Wines, She Dines twist we're going to add on it is going to be using peach bitters instead of Angostura Bitters.
Awesome. And we're going to use our Sacret Brut, right? Which is a champagne that we helped produce in France with a family there, Sacret from France. So I'm really excited to see what you can make with it.
Yeah, and this should pair very well with the peach bitters.
Awesome. That's great. Well, let's get started.
Yeah, so first what we're going to do is put a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup in our champagne flute.
And you can make simple syrup at home easy, 50-50 water and
Hot water and half
sugar, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, great.
And then we're going to put a few dashes of peach bitters. It really is up to you how much you want to put in there. I would suggest putting 2 or 3 dashes personally. And then we're going to top it off with our champagne.
Okay, great. And that Sacret champagne is just so dry and it's just refreshing and fantastic. I think it's going to go great with those bitters.
Yeah, and a little bit of simple syrup will help you sweeten up a little bit depending on how sweet you want it to be.
Great, so it looks great in the glass. What are we going to do next?
So now we are going to garnish it with a lemon twist. You're going to go on top, go around, twist it up, and plop it in.
Everybody loves to see that at a bar, but to be honest, it's really easy to do. You can do it at home, and it just gives you a little flair. So when you're at home, you feel like you're really doing something a little special and different,
yeah,
right?
And it really flavors the rim of the glass really well. So will come through every sip that you take. It'll come through with the champagne cocktail.
It just makes those fantastic bubbles. It gives it that effervescence. Fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, cheers, y'all.
Cheers.